मास्क उतारो जी में आप सबका स्वागत है। आज मेरे साथ है पल्लवी घोष और वो हम बात तो एक ही करेंगे कांग्रेस की, बिकॉज सारे इनसाइड न्यूज तो जो पल्लवी दे सकती है कोई नहीं दे सकता। और शी इज वन पर्सन हु
And
गेट्स
I
ट्रोल्ड
think
बाय
one of
बीजेपी
your
आल्सो।
first, I think one of your first episodes of Mask Utaroji was with me. So you began
या
kind of with me with that
या आई डू।
wonderful lunch you treated us to. Yeah.
अब तुमको कांग्रेस डांटेगी कि तुम फिर लंच खाती हो
Okay.
पायल के साथ। हाँ, मैं कहा कांग्रेस इज गोइंग टू गेट
हाँ,
बग्ड
आपका
विद यू
नमक
कि तुम
खाती
लंच
हूँ।
खाती हो पायल के साथ। हाँ, सो पल्लवी आई
आप
थिंक देयर
लोगों का
समथिंग
नमक
रॉन्ग।
खाती हूँ मैं। हाँ, वही।
हाँ, मेरा नमक है। अच्छा पल्लवी, like I said कि you get trolled by BJP also and Congress also, so that this proves that you're an unbiased journalist. This proves
Hope
कि
so. Hope
हाँ।
so.
अच्छा
Not so much the
अ,
BJP now, because I think they've stopped this thing of trolling. But yeah, Congress also. Yeah, Congress trolls a lot now. And I wouldn't even say Congress. ये जो Congress का कुछ social media उनका troll army है, and Congress supporters हैं जो अपने आप को liberal Indian बुलाते हैं, they do it a lot, and sometimes they don't even know what is happening. Most of them,
yeah.
Payal, have not even entered the AICC headquarters. लेकिन उनको सब पता है.
कांग्रेस के सपोर्टर्स तो सोचते हैं उनको सब पता है, उनको तो
Yeah,
लगता है
but
उनको
my
सब
point is
पता है।
that my point is you please criticize me on facts, and please come to the Congress headquarters. Please go when Congress is contesting elections, where they're going wrong or where they've gone wrong. You have to see it on the ground. Don't just attack and rubbish someone because you're supposed to rubbish someone. My point is that. मैंने हरियाणा में भी
ट्रू,
देखा पायल, मैंने महाराष्ट्र में भी देखा.
ये होता है। अच्छा पल्लवी, now we'll start with कांग्रेस का। I तो don't call it Indian National Congress now. It's South Indian National Congress it's become. See, वायनाड से जीत के आए दोनों भाई बहन, पूरा टाइम वायनाड में लगे हुए थे। उनका जो इंडियन उनका जो जनरल सेक्रेटरी है वो भी साउथ के हैं। अब खड़गे जी भी साउथ के हैं। सभी कुछ साउथ साउथ का है। व्हाट आर दे प्लानिंग? आर दे गोइंग टू डू दिस नॉर्थ साउथ डिवाइड, और they've realized that they can't win seats in the north, so they're going towards the south? What is it?
But see, Payal, traditionally speaking, I mean, barring that phase when they were in UP and all, the Congress has, whenever tried to bounce back, the South has always bailed them out. Whether it was
Okay.
Chikmagalur for Indira Gandhi, Bellary for Sonia Gandhi, and now the innings of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra from Wayanad. Even for Rahul Gandhi, when he got this sense that I'm going to lose from Amethi, it was a southern constituency which has bailed them up. So that sense of
Yeah.
gratitude, if I can use that word, is there for the South. But you're absolutely right. You know, you cannot control politics at the center if you are not having a footprint in North. You just look at the
North,
state
yeah.
after state. यूपी देखो आप, मध्य प्रदेश देखो आप, like other states. I mean, just look at Uttarakhand and all of them. The Congress is completely, it's not there. But what is even worse and worrying is that they don't even seem to have the energy or the capital to bounce back. They say this about the Congress, that once they lose a state, they usually don't come back because they don't work on their organization. They don't work hard,
Mhm.
or they just give up. अब यूपी में कांग्रेस was a force to reckon with. ना ये बीएसपी एसपी तो बाद में आए. But look at where the Congress is now. And forget that. Let's look at Delhi itself. I still
Mm.
maintain the best chief minister was Sheila Dikshit. She gave you
Yeah,
15
even
years. ये जो हम flyover, flyover हम जाते हैं,
absolutely,
it's all
absolutely,
hers.
yeah.
आज are you talking about the Congress? No, na. You're talking about बीजेपी जीतेगा कि आप जीतेगा. I
Mhm.
don't even know whether the Congress leaders want to contest elections because they're scared, because hard jayenge. And Congress had one of the best leaders from Delhi. I mean, not just Sheila Dikshit, there was Ajay Makan, Arvinder Singh Lavli, Sandeep Dikshit. And ये सब
Yeah.
ग्रासरूट नेता थे. आप कुछ भी बोल दो, मैं तो देखी हूँ ना इनको
हाँ, हाँ,
करीब
हाँ,
से.
देखो, हाँ।
ये ग्रासरूट नेता है. But आज कोई नहीं है यहाँ. Where does Ajay Makan talk about Delhi politics? Do you see Sandeep Dikshit here? I saw him more in Madhya Pradesh than in Delhi. Now, these are worrying signs. I mean, if you can't even think of having an organization in Delhi, UP, Madhya Pradesh, then you should not feel bad if someone is calling you a South Indian party. तब तो सच्चाई हुआ
Is
ना.
sorry to interrupt, but is Lovely with BJP now or Congress? उनका समझ
Now
नहीं
he's in
आता है कहाँ
BJP.
पे.
नहीं, now he's with the BJP.
वो समझ नहीं आता है. अच्छा पल्लवी, एक और चीज है, जैसे प्रियंका गांधी 20-30 years के बाद she's gotten active in politics. अब एक इनकी टीम दो में डिवाइडेड है, एक प्रो प्रियंका गांधी टीम है इनकी और एक प्रो राहुल गांधी टीम है. तो आपको नहीं लगता कि इनमें लड़ाई होगी और ये लोग आपस में यही करते रहेंगे कि हु इज द बेटर लीडर टू हेड कांग्रेस एंड लीड कांग्रेस, और इन लोग की तो आपस में लड़ाई होनी शुरू हो जाएगी, बिकॉज ईगो हैसल्स आ जाएंगे दोनों भाई
But
बहन में.
I don't think RG and PG are going to fight as such, but yes, the team will fight and they are already very competitive. See, I saw that happening between when Rahul Gandhi came into it, active politics, between Sonia and Rahul Gandhi Congress tha. Those who were considered to be close to Rahul Gandhi or his team wanted to have a bigger say. But जो Sonia Gandhi के लोग थे, they said ये क्यों है? तभी तो G23 बना. So that competition begins first among the groups, because their sustenance and survival comes from the neta. So the same is now happening with RG and PG. जो प्रियंका गांधी का group है, their sustenance and power will come if she completely overshadows RG.
Yeah.
And similarly vice versa. But for now, I don't see much tutu meme happening between the brother and sister. I think it's very smartly worked out. Sonia Gandhi has opted out. She's quickly shifted base to Rajya Sabha. In Lok Sabha, he's the LOP, na? तो वो leadership battle तो आपने sort ही कर लिया पहले. The LOP he is, technically he is her boss. I was told that this was all planned months in advance. It was not like it was happening overnight कि Priyanka Vadra will contest from Wayanad. The plan was put in place that when Priyanka makes that entry into active politics and becomes an MP, her brother should be the leader. He should be the boss. So as a leader of the opposition or the LOP, he is her boss inside the parliament. So that leadership and authority line has been made clear. अब देखो, interesting will be when she speaks for the first time. Now she's only talking about Wayanad. But धीरे धीरे महिला है ना, she'll start speaking more and she's very articulate, she's very, very, very
You
articulate.
think so? I was going to, my next question was this only, that you think she's very articulate, but she's, I don't know. I'm like, I was just thinking that ये तो एक तरफ बहन एक तरफ भाई कुछ और mess हो जाएगा और.
No, but see
Sometimes
Payal,
वो
to
भी
be
कभी
very
कभी बहुत
fair.
stupid बातें कर देती है, हाँ?
Yes, but कौन नेता नहीं करता? आप मुझे बता दो पायल. Everyone does a faux pas, everyone goofs up, and the degree matters, and how much you recover also matters, and how much the public memory is captured on your faux pas matters. Rahul Gandhi ke mistakes are remembered by people because some of them are just a bit too much. Priyanka has also made mistakes, but so have other netas in the BJP. सब जगह कुछ slip of the tongue हो जाता है, public speaking में कुछ बोल देते हैं. But when I say she is a better speaker, I'm also comparing her completely with her brother. And if you look within the family in comparison to Sonia and Rahul Gandhi, come on, Priyanka, she's very good in English, Hindi, in comparison. अच्छा बोलती है, वो पढ़ के नहीं बोलती है, ये बात तो आप मानते हो. मैं देखती हूँ, and I know this because I've seen her up front. Extempo, and her people to people connect. She understands the media. No, कहाँ मुस्कुराना है, कहाँ pause करना है. She may disagree with me, but she'll not be rude. That's the thing.
अच्छा प्रियंका, वो I'm saying sorry, पल्लवी, प्रियंका बोलते हुए पल्लवी,
वाह क्या
मलिक
पायल मुझे.
देखो तुम्हें प्रियंका बना दी, प्रियंका घोष, प्रियंका टोकस घोष. अच्छा पल्लवी, अब जैसे मलिका खरगे, ही इज गोइंग टू बी 85 86 years old now. अब आप मुझे बताओ ये कब तक चलेंगे कि वो प्रेसिडेंट, यू थिंक ही विल बी एबल टू हैंडल अनदर इलेक्शन, लाइक चाहे यूपी का ही आ जाए कल, ही विल बी एबल टू हैंडल सच अ बिग स्टेट कि ये लोग प्रेसिडेंट चेंज करेंगे?
No, so there are going to be elections now, so I think he has another term for another 1.5 to 2 years. So तब तक तो he's there ना. See, he suits it all, right? I mean, करना क्या होता है president को? Strategy meeting में बैठना है, strategy chalk out करना है. Let's not even have any doubts
President
about
also
it.
travels a lot, Pallavi, travels a lot.
But you know something, Payal, in Maharashtra, he traveled more than RG did. He does more rallies than Rahul Gandhi does. He makes it a point to go to parliament each and every day. That way he's
Yeah.
more active. आप कुछ भी बोलो, he's more active. He doesn't go on his holidays and all of that. He doesn't do that. And but everything is about the Gandhis, ना? The strategy सब वही बनाएंगे elections में. He'll become the Congress president, इसके presidentship में. But हम आज जब trash करते Congress party का performance, we put up a picture of RG, ना? We don't put up a picture of Kharge, right?
Kharge, हाँ. अच्छा, ये लोग
खड़गे बच गए
संभल गए.
बेचारे.